Consider divisibility by 25. A number is divisible by 25 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 25 or 0. Last two digits or multiple of 25 or 0, that numbers are divisible by 25. Okay. Consider an example. 75 is a 1500 is there. Consider these two. 75 is divisible. It is multiple of 25. So it is also divisible by 25. Consider this one. Last two digits are 0. So this number is also multiplied by 25. This type we easily identify any number is divisible by 25 or not. Okay. Next we consider divisibility by 88. A number is divisible by 88 if it is divisible by both 11 and 8. Any number is divisible by both 11 and 8. That number is also divisible by 88. Consider 88 and 616 is there. So 88 is divisible by both 11 and 8. 11 8 is 88. 8 11 is 88. So it is also divisible by 88. Okay. Consider this one. See, 616. Consider first 11. 11 5 is 55. 6 is there. 6 11 6 is 66. So it is completely divisible by 11. Consider 8. 616. Consider 8. 8 7 is 56. After 5 is there, 0. Take 6. 8 7 is 56. So 0 0. It is also completely divisible by 8. So it is also divisible by 88. Okay. This type we easily identify any number is divisible by 88 or not.